Hello everyone, welcome back to ICT Knowledge, Class 12, Computer Science, Session 3 covers the stack data structure. One of the most important topics for your board exam. Stack carries 5 to 8 marks in theory plus practical programs. We will learn LIFO, push, pop, peek, expressions, bracket matching, and complete menu driven programs. Let's stack up those marks. A stack is a linear data structure where insertion and deletion happen at the same end called top. It follows LIFO, last in, first out. Think of a stack of plates. The last plate you place on top is the first one you pick up. Same with books, bangles, or coins. Two important terms. Overflow means trying to push onto a full stack, but Python list grow dynamically, so this does not apply. Underflow means trying to pop from an empty stack. This will crash your program if you don't check. Watch the five operations appear. Push adds an element to the top. In Python, this maps to list.append function. Pop removes and returns the top element, maps to list.pop function. Pick views the top without removing, maps to list minus 1. Is empty, checks if the statement has no elements. Maps to len bracket list equal to 0. Size returns the count, maps to len bracket list. Python lists are perfect for stacks because both append and pop work at the end of the list, which is O of 1 constant time. For push, create an empty list, define a push function that takes the stack and element. Call stack.append element function. For pop, always check if the stack is empty first. If empty, print overflow and return none. Otherwise, call stack.pop function, which removes and returns the last statement. When you push 10, 20, 30, the stack is 10, 20, 30 with 30 as top. When you pop 30 comes out first, then 20, then 10. Pop from empty gives underflow. Peak return stack minus 1, the last element, without removing it. Always check if empty first. Is empty simply checks if length of stack equals 0, or you can use if not stack. The display function should show elements from top to bottom. Loop from len minus 1 down to 0 using range of length of stack minus 1 minus 1 minus 1. This gives the proper stack view with top first. These helper functions are expected in every board exam stack program. This is the exact format CBSE expects in practical exams. Create an empty list as the stack, define push, pop, peek, and display functions. Then write a while true loop with a menu 1 for push, 2 for pop, 3 for peek, 4 for display, 5 for exit. Use if or elif to handle each choice. This menu driven format with all four operations is a guaranteed 5 mark practical question. Practical writing it from memory. Write the applications up here. Undo or redo in text editors using a stack. Each action is push, Ctrl plus Z pops the last action. Browser back button maintains a stack of visited pages. Python's function called stack manages recursion. Each function call is pushed. Even Each return pops. Expression evaluation uses stack to process postfix notation. Bracket matching checks if parentheses are balanced. String reversal pushes all characters then pops them in reverse order. List any four of this for a 2 to 4 mark question. Three notation types. Infix puts the operator between operands. A plus B. This is what humans use but if needs brackets for precedence. Prefix or Polish notation puts the operator before operands. Plus AB. No brackets needed. Postfix or reverse Polish puts the operator after operands. AB plus. No brackets needed and this is what computers prefer. Operator precedence from highest to lowest. Power, then unary, then multiplication or division, then addition or subtraction. Watch the conversions. A plus B becomes AB plus dot A plus B into C becomes ABC into plus because multiplication has higher precedence. A plus B into C becomes AB plus C into because brackets override precedence. The algorithm scan left to right if operand output 8. If operator push to stack checking precedent. If opening bracket push. If closing bracket pop until matching open bracket. At the end, pop all remaining operators. The trace table shows the complete step-by-step conversion from A plus B into C. To evaluate postfix, scan left to right. If operand, push to stack. If operator, pop two operands, operator 2 first, then operator 1, compute operator 1, operator 2, push result back. The final value in the stack is the answer. Tracing 5, 3 plus 2 into push 5, push 3, C plus pop 3 and 5. Compute 5 plus 3 equal to 8. Push 8, push 2, C into pop 2 and 8. Compute 8 into 2 equal to 16. Push 16. Answer is 16. Critical pop order matters. Operator 2 comes out first, operator 1 second. Classic stack application. Push every open bracket onto the stack. When you see a closing bracket, check if the stack top has a matching opening bracket. If yes, pop and continue. If no, it is unbalanced. At the end, the stack must be empty for balanced brackets. For brackets, push curly brackets, push square brackets, push open brackets, C. Matches so pop C. Matches so pop C. Matches so pop stack empty. Balance. This is a very popular 5 mark board exam question. Two more classic stack programs. Reverse string. Push every character onto the stack. Then pop all characters. Last in, first out gives you the reversed string. For decimal to binary, repeatedly divide by 2 and push the remainder. When done dividing, pop all reminders. This gives the binary number in correct order. For 25, push 1, push 0, push 0, push 1, push 1. Pop all 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. Both programs demonstrate why LIFO reversal is the stack's superpower. Watch the class built line by line. The stack class uses self.items as the internal list. Init creates an empty list. Push uses append. Pop checks is empty first, then calls pop. Pick return items -1 is empty. Check length. Size returns length. Use a class is cleaner. You call s.push of 10 instead of push stack, 10. CBSE accepts both function based and class based implementations, but the function approach with a plain list is more commonly expected. 6 question types for stack. Write push and pop functions for a stack of student dictionaries. 5 marks. Convert infix to postfix with stack trace. Convert infix to postfix with stack trace. 3 marks. Evaluate a postfix expression showing stack at each step. 3 marks. List 4 applications of stack. 2 marks. Complete menu driven program. 5 marks. Output prediction with append and pop calls. 2 marks. Practice all 6 types. 8 exam tricks. Underflow means pop from empty. Always check first. Python lists don't have overflow because they grow dynamically. In postfix evaluation, pop order is critical. Operator 2 pops first, then operator 1. Stack -1 gives peak without removal. Postfix does not need brackets. That's why computers prefer it. CBSE uses plain list as stack, no separate class required. Display should print top to bottom using reverse loop. Menu driven format with push, pop, peek, display, exit is expected for 5 mark practicals. Quiz challenge. Question 1. Convert 8 plus 2 into 3 minus 4 divided by 2 to postfix and evaluate it showing complete stack trace at each step. Question 2. Write a Python function using a stack to check if a string is a palindrome. Bonus. What is the difference between stack overflow and stack underflow? Write answers in the comments. Coming next, session 4 covers computer networks, LAN, WAN, MAN, TCP or IP topologies and network devices. Session 5 is SQL Advanced with Python MySQL connector. Session 6 is the final revision. Subscribe and hit the bell. Thank you.